All right, everybody, welcome to another deep dive. Today, we're going to be exploring something pretty exciting. We're going to be diving into passive income.
Ooh, passive income.
And specifically, a platform that can help you, kind of build out a system for that.
Nice.
It's called TAPFILIATE.
I like it.
Yeah, so we're going to get into that, but before we do, you want to just kind of give a quick definition of what affiliate marketing even is for folks that are new.
So imagine you have a friend who just discovered like this amazing new restaurant.
Okay.
They tell you about it. You go, you love it.
Love it.
Now imagine your friend gets like a little reward every time you visit based on their recommendation.
Interesting.
That's kind of like the essence of affiliate marketing.
Okay, so like word of mouth, but with a little kickback, basically.
Yeah, you're spreading the word about something you love.
Right.
Businesses get more sales.
Yeah.
And you get a little commission.
That makes sense.
Win-win.
So where does TAPFILIATE come into play here?
So TAPFILIATE is all about taking that process, that recommendation process.
Okay.
And automating it and really kind of streamlining it.
So it's not just like me telling my friend about the restaurant.
It's like having a little virtual assistant who's working 24/7.
Got it.
Managing your whole affiliate program.
So they don't have to keep track of everything.
Exactly. No more late nights.
Okay.
Manually tracking commissions, chasing down payments.
Makes sense.
TAPFILIATE takes care of all of that in the background.
Oh, okay. So I can kind of
you set it and forget.
Set it and forget it. That's what I like to hear.
Yeah, and it integrates with platforms you're probably already using. Like Shopify, PayPal, all the big ones.
So help me visualize this a little bit. What does that actually look like in practice?
So imagine, you wake up in the morning.
Okay.
You check your TAPFILIATE dashboard and you see, boom.
New sales, new customers.
From people I didn't even talk to.
Exactly.
And that's pretty powerful.
Yeah, all thanks to your network of affiliates who are out there spreading the word about your products.
I like it.
While you were sleeping.
Okay, so it's not just about automating those payments, though, right? It's about getting the word out there.
Exactly. And TAPFILIATE also gives you really powerful data.
Oh, interesting.
So you can actually see what's working.
Okay.
What's not working.
Oh, it's not just
It's like having a little marketing detective on your team.
So I can be smarter about how I approach it.
Yeah, you can see which affiliates are performing the best, which marketing channels are bringing in the most valuable customers.
Okay, so this is getting pretty in-depth.
It can get really granular.
Yeah, and I'm assuming that, this isn't, I'm not going to lie, this is a little bit intimidating.
Sure, yeah, it can seem that way.
So how easy is this to set up for someone who's maybe not super techie? Yeah, and that's one of the great things about TAPFILIATE is they've really focused on making it user-friendly. So even if you're not, a tech wizard, you can easily navigate the platform, set up your program, customize everything.
So I don't need to be coding or anything?
No coding required. Yeah. They have, drag and drop interfaces, templates, it's very intuitive.
Okay, so I can kind of
Yeah, you can get up and running pretty quickly.
All right, that
without needing a degree in computer science.
That's good, that's good. But I guess, we've talked a lot about the technology.
Yeah.
But isn't setting up a successful affiliate program about more than just the platform itself?
Absolutely. You're absolutely right.
It's got to be about the people.
It's about the people. It's about the relationships.
Yeah.
It's about finding those amazing affiliates who are going to go out there and champion your products.
But how do you do that? Where do you find those people?
That's a great question. And I think it all starts with choosing a niche that aligns with your interests and your expertise.
Okay.
So think about it. Are you passionate about sustainable living products?
Right.
Are you a tech enthusiast who loves reviewing gadgets?
Okay.
Find that area where
where I'm already kind of...
You already have knowledge, you have passion.
Okay.
And then you find people who are already talking to your target audience.
Got it. So they already have a following.
Exactly. They have the audience, they have the influence, and they're looking for products to recommend.
Okay, but then once you've found them.
Yeah.
What's the next step? Do you have to manage all of them? That sounds like a lot of work.
It can be, but again, this is where TAPFILIATE comes in and really helps streamline that process.
Okay.
So they have built-in tools for communication, for tracking performance. You can even provide training resources.
So you're basically giving them the tools they need.
Exactly. Empowering your affiliates to be successful.
Okay, that makes sense.
Which ultimately benefits you.
And you mentioned this earlier about reaching new markets through affiliates.
Absolutely.
That's huge.
It's huge.
But I guess it's also like a little scary, right? Because you're kind of relinquishing control of your brand message to some degree.
You're right. It's a valid concern.
So how do you mitigate that risk?
One effective strategy is to create like a really detailed style guide that outlines your brand voice, your messaging guidelines.
Okay.
You can even offer pre-approved marketing materials.
Oh, interesting.
That affiliates can use. So it's very easy for them.
Plug and play.
To stay on brand, plug and play. Exactly.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah.
Okay, so now let's talk about motivation, right? Because, I can give them the tools. I can make sure they're on brand.
Right.
But at the end of the day, these affiliates, they're doing this to make money.
Right. Yeah, they got to get something out of it.
So how do you make sure that they're actually motivated to go above and beyond and not just like share a link?
Right. And that's where you get into like the art and science of crafting compelling commission structures.
Okay.
So instead of just offering, a flat 5% commission, you can get really creative and you can incentivize specific actions that align with your goals.
Yeah.
So for example, let's say you really want to grow your recurring subscription base. You could offer a higher commission for those sales.
Oh, interesting.
So you're encouraging your affiliates to promote those specific products that generate long-term value for you.
I like it.
Right.
So can you talk a little bit more about creating content to attract affiliates?
Yeah. So instead of just, sending out a generic email saying, hey, join my affiliate program.
Right.
Think about creating content that actually showcases the value of your program.
Give me an example.
Yeah. So you could write a blog post that highlights the success stories of your top performing affiliates.
Oh, interesting.
Right. Like how much money they've made.
Right. Social proof.
Exactly. Social proof. Or you could create an in-depth guide that walks potential affiliates through the benefits of your program.
Yeah.
Gives them tips for maximizing their earnings.
So you're basically like...
You're giving them a roadmap to success.
Yeah, you're selling them on the idea of being an affiliate for you.
You're not just saying, hey, come sell my stuff. You're saying, hey, come join this amazing community.
Yeah.
We're going to help you succeed.
So to wrap it all up, TAPFILIATE, it's not just a piece of software. It's like a whole approach.
It's a whole ecosystem.
To building this passive income stream.
Imagine a world where your business is continuously growing.
Okay.
Even when you're not actively working.
Okay.
Where loyal customers are coming to you through trusted recommendations.
Right.
And your income is just steadily increasing.
Without me having to, be there.
You're on the beach sipping a margarita.
I like the sound of that.
Yeah.
And all this is happening.
And your business is thriving.
Yeah. That's powerful stuff.
It is. It's the power of a well-executed affiliate marketing strategy with a platform like TAPFILIATE at the helm.
Well, you've officially blown my mind, I got to say.
That's exciting stuff.
This has been, this deep dive has really opened my eyes to the possibilities here.
I think the key takeaway here is that passive income, it's not about get-rich-quick schemes.
Right.
It's not about, sitting on the couch doing nothing.
Right.
It's about strategically leveraging your time and resources to create income streams that operate independently.
So I can focus on other stuff.
So you can focus on other parts of your business. You can spend more time with family.
Travel the world, right.
Exactly.
Work smarter, not harder.
There you go.
I like it.
That's the motto.
All right. So for everyone listening, go out there, explore, see if TAPFILIATE's the right fit for you.
Absolutely.
And take that first step toward building your passive income empire.
Yeah, you got this.
We'll see you on the next deep dive.
See you later.